Hi and welcome to this exclusive chance to step into the world of the first truly smart infrared camera. This web-based ISX, designed down to the smallest detail, combines industry standards and state-of-the-art requirements, creating a revolution in thermal imaging. Appearance. The ISX camera combines a calibrated thermal imaging sensor with a powerful data processing unit and a variety of industrial interfaces. User interface. Thanks to a powerful user-friendly web interface, the ISX is a reliable plug-and-play masterpiece and provides an outstanding functionality, for example. Also, Lua scripting for extended functionality. Applications. The onboard apps are customizable for all thermography challenges. The unique smart infrared camera is suitable for all industries and masters any thermal imaging challenge. The wide range of lenses cover any application in thermal imaging processes. The optional air purge system guarantees reliable data even in dusty and moist environments. Fine cooling fins provide lasting cooling performance and a maximum of reliability. The industrial character of the camera is evident on the back. M12 connectors provide standardized connectivity. Rugged in a full metal housing, the ISX is ready for the use in the harshest conditions with its IP67 certification. Join now the revolution of our infrared cameras and be 2 steps ahead of all of the others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube or Vimeo channel, and goodbye.